What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Texas Honda channel. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. So in this video, I'm going to be putting the Supercharger back on the TL. For those who are new to the channel, this is my daily driven Acura TL. The paint job is bed liner, and it has the J32A3 engine in it, and it's all motor right now. I don't know what it makes on the dyno with this particular setup, but last time we were at the dyno before all these mods, it made 252 to the wheels. Now with the Supercharger on, it made 336 wheel horsepower. Huge difference, still stock engine, decapped injectors with a thermal gasket and P2R spacer, and the P2R adapter to run the J37 throttle on the J35 Z6 intake manifold, I believe. Could be wrong about that one, but yeah, it runs great as it is for a daily, but I do miss the Supercharger. Had a lot more torque and a lot more power. But yeah, we got the comptech Supercharger right here. For the ones who are new to the channel and don't know, they discontinued the comptech Superchargers, so you have to find them secondhand. So I will not be able to tell you where you can get one. I get a lot of questions all the time in emails where you can get one. I have no idea. I got this on offer up for like 1,500 bucks. So it needed rebuilt, but now it's all fresh and ready to go. We're gonna throw it back in. I did not do video of the rebuild or anything like that, but yeah, it's basically ready. So before we put this on, I wanna go over some things real quick. This is a 94.5-inch belt. We have the adapter right here that allows it to bolt right behind the EGR valve, in case anyone was wondering. This right here, the way I have this set up on the car, is I drilled a hole next to the existing hole, and on the bottom side of the bracket I threaded in a bolt, so that way it sits right there on that bolt. I do not have the alternator bracket. I've taken this on thousands of miles with it like that, and it was perfectly fine. Just wanted to show you guys that. Then we've got the adapter piece right here that goes where the throttle is currently, and custom hose. This hose is actually from the bottom radiator hose that came factory. I ended up cutting it and it fits perfectly, so that way I can run it like this up and over the Supercharger. Now I know it'd be ideal to get a different radiator that moves this radiator hose over here, and then I could go down bypassing the Supercharger, but this method has worked perfectly fine and made 336 wheel horsepower, so obviously it works. But I'm gonna go ahead and time-lapse this, put some music to it. I hope you guys enjoy the videos. If you're new here, please subscribe, turn the bell icon on to get notified of every upload, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So here we go. is all back together. Everything's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up and see how she does. Sounds pretty good other than the belt squealing, probably because there's fluid on it. But we'll go take it for a spin and see if it drives any better. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get on it a little bit, see how she does. Holy cow. Yeah, it's definitely screaming now. A lot better than before. It's a huge difference. Like in that short little time, I was able to get up to 80 miles an hour. Yeah, this thing's pulling crazy good. All right, so I'm gonna head back to the house and we'll definitely go over some stuff when I get there. So, you guys enjoying this video so far? Okay, I really missed having this supercharger on here. This thing pulls so incredibly hard compared to the all-motor setup. Now, don't get me wrong, the all-motor setup does have its advantages, like less moving parts, less heat, so on. But this thing pulls great. Now, it was hitting a 6.5 PSI. I don't know if that's just because it's a little bit cooler of a night compared to all the other test run nights. In theory, should make more power. Everything's working how it's supposed to now, so it's awesome. The only real way to know how much power I gained or if I gained is to put it back on the dyno, but we're not going to go ahead and do all that. I'm just going to enjoy this. This daily driver is super quick and super fun. The fuel economy is great. If you didn't see my other videos, I got close to 40 miles to the gallon in this thing on the highway, which is pretty crazy for a V6 3.2 liter, but I am really happy with it. Now that we've got the Acura pretty much where I want it for a great comfortable daily, has cold AC, we're going to work on getting the work truck. Here's my Mazda B2300. We're going to get this thing K-swapped. Now, it's not going to be an overnight process. It will be kind of a challenge. There's no information out there for this. So my plan is to get a Miata 5-speed transmission and the K-swap adapter plate, because they don't make one for this transmission, and this isn't identical to the Mazda Miata transmission. I'm hoping that I can make the Mazda Miata transmission since it's rear-wheel drive, and this is already a 5-speed. Everything should be pretty close. I know there will have to be some customizations, but I think that'll be the easiest route. Just the adapter plate's $500 for the Miata transmission adapter plate. The K series is going to cost me a couple hundred, maybe $300-400 from local salvage yard. I'm probably just going to do a K24, just get it running, and it should be pretty fun. But we will upgrade, obviously, internals and all that stuff later on down the road, get the K24 A2 heads, all the good stuff. And this little work truck's going to be fun. We're definitely going to rip around in it. Definitely do some skids on that welded diff that I don't have yet. I'm going to get another rear end. I'm going to have one that I have an actual posi, but in the meantime, I'm just going to weld this one up, and there'll be videos of that on my More Motorsports channel, so definitely go to the search or click in the description, More Motorsports, and find my YouTube channel and go subscribe over there. I have videos out on this already over there, so greatly appreciate if you watch it. Every little bit of likes, shares, and comments helps both channels tremendously, and I appreciate each and every one of you who take the time to do that. But yeah, I'm just happy that this is back to making some power and take it to some car meets, car shows, stuff like that, and show off some of the work. But more importantly, this is a great daily, and I am super happy with it. But that's basically it for this video. I will try to get more out as soon as I possibly can. So definitely stay tuned. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit that like button and drop a comment below. I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. I'll see you guys in the next video. As I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.